Here we have a Volkswagen Polo, Mark 6 hatchback, 1 litre TSI SE 95 PS. Now the car's looking great and it has the top spec, including an automatic post-collision braking system, hill hold control, an anti-lock braking system, a hydraulic brake assist, a driver alert system, and these 15-inch Sassari alloy wheels. Now the boot's very deep, and it even comes with a full-size spare wheel. The interior has 2 USB ports for Apple or Android CarPlay, Volkswagen Connect, and a composition media system. So for more information, feel free to phone, email, or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.